Newton. Full name is Isaac Newton. Biography Life. Isaac Newton, born on January 4, 1643, in Woolsthorpe, Lincolnshire, England, was a brilliant mathematician, physicist, and astronomer. His groundbreaking work laid the foundation for classical mechanics and revolutionized our understanding of the physical world. Newton's early life was marked by hardship. His father died before he was born, and his mother remarried, leaving him to be raised by his maternal grandmother. Despite the challenging circumstances, Newton showed exceptional intellectual promise. He attended the King's School in Grantham, where he thrived academically. In 1661, Newton entered Trinity College, Cambridge, where he pursued a deep interest in mathematics and natural philosophy. His self-directed studies led him to explore the works of prominent scientists like René Descartes and Johannes Kepler. Newton's intellectual curiosity and dedication to learning soon caught the attention of his professors. In 1665, the bubonic plague forced the closure of Cambridge University, prompting Newton to return to his family estate in Woolsthorpe. This period, often referred to as his annus mirabilis or miracle year, proved to be a turning point in his life. During this time, Newton made significant contributions to various fields, laying the groundwork for his future achievements. One of Newton's most notable accomplishments during this period was the development of calculus, independently of the German mathematician Gottfried Wilhelm Leibniz. Calculus became an essential mathematical tool for solving problems in physics and engineering. Newton's notation and methods remain influential in mathematics to this day. Simultaneously, Newton delved into optics, conducting experiments with prisms to understand the nature of light. His groundbreaking work in optics culminated in the publication of Optics in 1704, where he presented his findings on the composition of white light and the nature of color. Returning to Cambridge in 1667, Newton was appointed as a professor and continued to make significant contributions to physics. In 1687, he published his magnum opus, Philosophiae Naturalis Principia Mathematicae, Mathematical Principles of Natural Philosophy. In this monumental work, Newton formulated his three laws of motion and the law of universal gravitation, providing a comprehensive explanation for the motion of Newton's laws of motion laid the foundation for classical mechanics, offering a unified framework to explain the motion of everything from falling apples to orbiting planets. The law of universal gravitation mathematically described the attractive force between masses and explained phenomena such as the orbits of planets around the sun. His laws of motion and law of gravitation not only explained the motions of celestial bodies but also provided a unifying theory that bridged the terrestrial and celestial realms. Newton's work in celestial mechanics demonstrated the power of applying mathematical principles to understand the fundamental laws governing the universe. Newton's influence extended beyond mathematics and physics. He made significant contributions to the field of astronomy, conducting experiments with telescopes and developing a reflecting telescope design that minimized chromatic aberration. His work in astronomy led to the discovery of the laws of motion governing planetary bodies. In addition to his scientific achievements, Newton served as Master of the Mint from 1699 until his death in 1727. In this role, he played a crucial role in reforming the British currency and combating counterfeiting. Newton's legacy is immense, with his ideas shaping the course of scientific thought for centuries. His laws of motion and universal gravitation form the basis of classical physics, providing a framework that remains applicable in many situations. The development of calculus, independently pursued by Newton and Leibniz, revolutionized mathematics and laid the groundwork for future mathematical developments. While Newton's contributions to science are celebrated, it's essential to acknowledge the controversies surrounding his personality and interactions with peers. Newton was known for his intense and sometimes contentious interactions with other scientists, including disputes with Robert Hooke and Leibniz over priority in various discoveries. In conclusion, Isaac Newton's life and inventions have left an indelible mark on the scientific world. His brilliance, perseverance, and insatiable curiosity led to groundbreaking discoveries in mathematics, physics, and astronomy. The enduring impact of Newton's work is evident in the continued use and application of his principles in various scientific disciplines, solidifying his place as one of the greatest scientific minds in history.